guys, a little wiring update. Got some of the wiring figured out this weekend for the Lotus. Conveniently, this side window is completely gone right now, so very easy access panel. So anything in here that we have saved from the original wiring harnesses can be accessed. And luckily, pretty much everything is there. We've got some waterproof connectors here. Let's see if I can show you there. Got one right here that has the fans and the fuel pump through it. And then this one right here has your starter feed. Now both of those were from the coolant and the main harness for the engine, but it goes through the firewall right here, and I guess I just didn't sell them, so it really worked out. Everything up front still has relays for the fans as well. Fuse box with relays is over here, and the starter is over there. Starter relay is over there as well. So if we look right here, kind of a mess, but right here, got our wiring harness that I've made to come through here with these accessory pieces, and that'll come meet somewhere in this general area with your center harness here. And center harness will be on the engine, come through this bay here, avoid the exhaust channel right here, and come through out here where the ACO will be mounted back in there like that. These will plug into the back of that ECU, and the race harness will be mounted somewhere in here, and these fused pieces here will link up to the other side of the harness that I just made, like this. So looks like a giant rat's nest right now, but it's coming along. Update with more progress soon, hopefully.